U.S. National Hurricane Center says Hurricane Patricia has strengthened into an extremely dangerous Category 4 storm as it churns towards Mexico's Pacific coast. The storm, which became a hurricane overnight, has maximum sustained winds of about 130 miles per hour and is on a west-northwest path. Patricia was last located about 275 miles south of the port of Manzanillo, where a hurricane warning had been issued. Mexican emergency officials began to prepare shelters and warned people in the states of Colima, Jalisco, and Michoacan to get ready for torrential rainfalls.